Earth Echo International recognizes that young people are making a positive difference in the health of our planet by seizing opportunities to engage in their communities. Here in South Florida, Earth Echo joins exchange students from South America that are part of a youth leadership program managed by the U.S. State Department and World Learning. These students are working with the South Florida Water Management District to help restore the Everglades by working on the stormwater treatment areas.
So right now we're planting some bulrush grass. We're trying to reduce the excessive amount of nutrients that come into the system. So we'll be planting along with our great group of students from Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru, and we're super excited.
It's a slow process, but you got to start somewhere. Thanks, man. And it go fast. Okay.
These students are learning firsthand how protecting the Everglades is essential to the people of South Florida. As part of the exchange program, they're helping restore critical vegetation in the stormwater treatment areas that buffer the natural Everglades. So what are we doing here?
It will absorb nutrients and grow more. Vegetation in the Everglades, preserve better the environment here.
18 estudiantes junto con 3 profesoras y estamos plantando esto. Entonces lo que hacemos es que con esta herramienta hacemos el hueco en el piso y luego plantamos así.
Yeah, all right. Cool. Okay. Step on it. Yeah.
Step on it. Step on top of it. Yeah. Get a root sometimes, get into the soil.
Everybody can take a few of these and go look for some empty spots.
Yeah, we're saving the Everglades.